e te whaitau le whaalinga me tau po e tolu whaiupu e sful matasi wha mai whaauta o te vave alu atu ia e tau whi maui le meo ia te oe aisea nei a ve se tasi lo pale. The word says, look, I'm coming soon. Hold tightly to the little strength you have so that no one will take away your crown. You know, au tātou iai le nei larolangi, e pu'u pu'u, wa tātou o I teimi whainga tā malawhita. Au te mana o tau atu, wa whautuina le tamai whi aure nei, hold on. Pe lava le message mua Autalavou, hold on. The question, hold on to what? How long should I hold on? Who should I hold on to? If you sili ia, o te mana o te sila. Teimi I sa ulai titi ai. Whamelo te mai a te au. When I went down to the shop back then, a 600 ml bottle of milk used to cost only 6 cents. A potato fritter cost 4 cents. So when my father put $5, he would grab my hand, put the $5 in, and hold it tight, and he'll put his massive hand around my little hands then, and he'd say, son, awa ne I le loa tupe, ia e tahawhi mau, ele lima tala. You know, all the way to the shops I ran, all the way back I held the change, because my dad said to hold on. Whenever we think of the word hold on, it has an emphatic meaning, and it usually means to hold on to a key. Hey, hold on to that money, hold on to those keys, something of value. O se mea te tau whi maui, o se mea tā ua ia te oe. Se mnau tau atu ia te oe, whamei whalinga tolu sutasi, whautau te vave al watu. Ia e tā whi mau le meo ia te oe. Nei a vea se tasi lupare. O lalu, tā whi, aisea, o lo ye le ase o whiuma ia Yesu. Tā whi whautanga, hold on to that faith. There are times that you think there's nothing going on for you, that everything seems going downhill. But Jesus says, hey, young people, hold on. Tā whi mau. Tawhi mau le upu o le tua. Ilisi fisiri oa, o e sao. Are you ready? Why do you need to hold on? Ai siae tā uai, lo tu mau. O mol pe te lua whai upo e iwa, o la au whita wina whamai. A o tau o le tupu langa ua filifili o tau. O tupu ma o stau langa, o le no pa ia. Ma le no o na whatau mai, whatau ina. Ine au tau tau atu o le lei. Ine ia e wala au ia te au tau. Nei le pori uli e o lona lava malama e matua ofu ai. Young people, in English it says, you are a chosen people. A royal priesthood. A holy nation. A people belonging to God. Ana fu anga nai ta ui lo ta ofi mau. Ie teimi vai ai. Ie teimi te manatu e pete tauna o lotu. Pete tauna o moe whale. Hold on, aru lotu. Wa me whai te tonu le karisia. Wa me whai te tonu le ungalwenga. Ie teimi e menau sa tani. E whalonga whisiri ai. E question ei oe. Pe whea le mea. Atu menau tau atu. Hold on. You know why? You're a chosen people, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a people belonging to God. How can I hold on? Whapewheno tāwhi mam. E perisfu lua tasi le lua whamai inatu ese ia. A me mamafa o mātoa malang sala. Ma me whaalave lave ngō fie iati tātou. Ia tātou whetu, tau whetuli male on sai. In English it says, let us strip off anything that slows us down or holds us back. And then later on it says, fix your eyes on Jesus, our leader and instructor. Man, hold on. How are you going to hold on? Sometimes te whalongatu wa umalo marosi, wa umalo onsai, wa umalo pat whalawalo onsai. O te mnau whamanatu ya te oe. Fix your eyes on Jesus. Fix your eyes. Fix your eyes. Fix your eyes on Jesus. Let us strip away things that slow us down. Last week I went to see my nephew Dominic and my daughter Shanika Te Waililo athletics for Melbourne State. Well, my daughter came first in javelin for the juniors. Praise the Lord. My son, or my nephew Dominic, he came second for the 100 meters for year 12 for the state. Now, when you see them, it says, let us strip away anything that slows us down. All those runners, all those people competing, wore minimum clothing. They didn't have any big skivvies like I have on. And they whaini ofu mamafa, and ye ofu po la eifa pitoa, e ma, e ma whai anything o fie, ma lava le ma losi, e tau whaturia, ma compete. You know, o te le lopo la se meo ta fie oe. O te le lopo la le tuina nau o e whaavai ai. Te le lopo le fornication o le whaitaanga tulau. Te le lopo le ngahoi. Te le lopo le whaamaoni, po le tapaa, po le ava, po le marijuana, po fuala au. O te le lo, I don't know what your weakness may be, but I want to remind you that let us strip away those things that slow us down and fix our eyes on Jesus. You know, whatever is holding us back, give ourselves, fix our eyes to Jesus. What's holding you back today? What's holding you back today? Jesus wants you. Jesus wants you. Well, I tell you what that's for me just today. And below in the Tushina Tushi filing it says, Nei avea se tasi lopa. That's why. Why is it so crucial about the timing? Le taimi tahua le nei, le taimi le nei le te whaafofonga mai ei, le upu o le tua. Po mea pone Victoria leo te launga tuai, mai whaafofonga mai ei. Po Amerika, po Engalangi, po Ferrani, po Shamani, po New Zealand, po Nei Australia, po Samoa, te mana tau atu, o le taimi le nei. Au ese mea lo ma mafa, ai sau ei. Wharinga tonu luas fulu whauta, o te tu atu, i le pui pui ma tui tui. Ai se tasi whaalongo e lo leo. Ma te tala mai le pui pui, o te tali sua foi maia, o ia foi. Young people, Jesus says, I stand at the door and knock. When? Today. I stand at the door and knock. Today. Hold on. Juma. Hold on to the light. Hold on tight. Hold firm. And hold on to Jesus. Hold on to Jesus. Aisha, because only Jesus will bring you and I salvation. Let me pray. Te mare langi wa umafo i le whiau le nei e whiau. Le tuai o lalo finangalo. Ia whalau teleina e lātou whinangano moloto o lo whaafofonga mai i kolopi le ne. Ia o whaamnianga. Ia mātou mau fo i savano te whenua i lunga l'internet. A whai o iei se tasi o iei se avega ma mafa.